why would we want to run a regular stand-up meeting? In general, an effective stand-up meeting has 3 goals. The first is to allow teams to get a shared understanding of how they're performing. Are we winning or are we losing? So if it's a project team, are milestones getting complete? And is the overall timing on track? If it's an operational team, how are we performing versus our expected targets? So for example, in a warehouse, what's our pick rates per hour? Or in a hospital, what was our bed utilization for the previous day? The second goal is to encourage team members to share problems and to set actions to resolve them in as fast a time frame as possible. So did we achieve what we expected? What went wrong? What are we doing to get back on track? And the third goal is to create a forum to efficiently coordinate activity and communicate what we expect from each other. And if conflicting priorities pop up, what do we agree to do first? So stand-up meetings can provide tremendous value. However, it's important to remember it's for updates only, not for solving problems and not for long storytelling. So keep it short.